This came to light in June. It was a conversation with her friend imprisoned in an Arizona jail on drugs charges. And the translation of the Fulani, which is her native language in Guinea, was key. And basically, they now say they have a proper translation and says he is powerful and rich, but not that he's got a lot of money, which cuts into the fact that she's only after the money. But of course, this is just one of the problems with this witness. Remember, she's lied on asylum application. She may have also lied to the grand jury in terms of what happened off the alleged incident, but it's there to convince the prosecutors to go forward with this case. Ken Thompson, by the way, also came out and suggested that there were other tapes that they had to go through as well, and also seemed to indicate that even though he announced that there would be a civil proceeding in the next few days, may have backed off a little bit from that. The prosecutors may have asked them to do that, and the reason being is because, of course, there would be a cash reward for that if she won the civil case, and she's got many years to file that after any potential trial going forward. So it looks like they're trying to push Cyrus Vance and the district attorney to go forward with this case. It's quite amazing, another twist and turn. Every time we think it's about to be dropped, something else happens.
And meanwhile, of course, Nathan, Ms. Diallo's appearances in a couple of media interviews have sparked Strauss-Kahn's lawyers to say that she's playing the public opinion card.
Absolutely, and they're right on one fact that this circus, as they call it, is very, very rare. It is very rare for an alleged rape victim to bring out her identity and appear in front of the world's media. And every lawyer that I've spoken to questioned why they are doing this. They would not advise their client to do this. But she's saying it's there because of all the, quote, lies and slander, especially from the New York Post calling her a prostitute, and so she had to get her version of the story out. It has increased the temperature, of course, in the trial, if that was absolutely possible. But what it may do is have a problem for her because, of course, all her words are going to be poured over by Dominique Strauss-Kahn's lawyers and investigators for any problems that may arise and any difference in other statements, especially when it comes to grand jury, although they won't get that testimony necessarily until the day before a trial, if that happens.